Lumi have been pioneers of event technology for over 30 years. We have developed a number of different benchmark solutions to register, ask questions, and poll at a physical event. These solutions can be provided with full white glove service, installed and maintained by our skilled team, or licensed remotely for a self-service offering. Lumi solutions work with proprietary devices, tablet kiosk systems, bring your own device, and the traditional paper poll. The technology provides immediate on-screen feedback, giving participants the security that their vote has been counted. Participants can use the handset to join a queue to ask questions. The queue is organized and prioritized by a moderator and displayed privately to the chair of the meeting. Reports can be produced instantly at any point during the meeting, providing organizers with complete visibility on attendance and potential impact on polls.